We're going to turn now to get more on the coronavirus. That reported spike in cases today is the biggest since the start of the pandemic. Total cases in the U.S. now top 8.4 million. The virus has killed 223,000 Americans, and there's some encouraging news tonight in the race for a vaccine, with 2 trials now resuming. We get more now from CBS's Meg Oliver.
Tonight, both AstraZeneca and Johnson & Johnson's vaccine trials are back on in the U.S. after hitting pause when volunteers became sick. The green light from the FDA came after investigations found no link between those cases and the vaccine. This news comes as America is grappling with an explosion of COVID cases. 41 states are reporting an increase in average new cases. 15 states have reported record hospitalizations in the last week. Director of the National Institutes of Health, Dr. Francis Collins.
This really does become a moment where all Americans have to recognize that each of us individually has a responsibility if we want to turn this around.
In hotspot Wisconsin, new cases are up nearly 40% compared to 2 weeks ago. 15-year-old Wisconsin resident Ava Pennycook is still suffering from hot flashes and extreme fatigue 3 months after recovering from COVID.
I still feel sick sometimes. Some days are good and then some days aren't.
How so?
One day, I'll have a really bad day and I'll just feel super dizzy and tired and I'll have to take a nap. And the other day, I can just do stuff like normally.
Tonight, the latest data from researchers at the University of Washington says wearing face masks in public could prevent 63,000 new deaths this winter. 16-year-old Caitlin Evans of Cincinnati, Ohio, is part of the first wave of children to test the Pfizer vaccine, all part of a push to safely inoculate school-aged children.
I figured, the more people they test, the more information they get, and the sooner they can put out a vaccine to keep everyone safe.
As case numbers rise in New Jersey, school districts like here in Boonton announced this week they will extend virtual learning until at least January, citing too many at-risk teachers who can't return to in-person and concerns over upcoming holiday travel. Nora?
Meg Oliver, thank you.